Dear students, now we are going to learn a very useful trick. So what is this trick about? So this trick helps us to find the square of numbers which are near a base number. Now what is meant by this? To find the square of those numbers which are very near to base numbers. So base numbers. Let us first understand what are base numbers, then we will understand what are numbers which are close to base numbers. So what are base numbers? Base numbers are basically powers or exponents of 10. Exponents of 10. What is meant by this? 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. 10 square is equal to 100. 10 cube is equal to 1000. Similarly, 10 to the power 4 is equal to 1 followed by 4 zeros. So if there is 10 to the power 8, what will be its value? 1, and after that you have to write 8 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So these type of numbers are known as base number. Base number. So what is the trick about? How you can find the square of any number which is very near to a base number. For example, 1003 whole square. So just by looking at this number you can understand, oh, this is very close to 1000 and 1000 is a base number. Or suppose I want to calculate 998 whole square. So 998 is also very close to 1000. 1000 is a base number. So this is the trick that we are going to learn now. So now I am going to tell you the trick how you can find these type of squares. So 106 whole square. So 106 is very close to which base number? 100. Or if I say 994 whole square. So 994 is also very close. Very close to which base number? 1000. So now we are going to learn a trick. With the help of that trick, you can solve these kind of squares in less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. Let us see what that trick is. So before we discuss the trick, we have to understand the concept of deviation. So we will take these example only, 106 and 994. So suppose I ask you to find 106 whole square. So you would say 106 is very close to which base number? 100. If I say 994 whole square, so you would say 994 is very close to which base number? 1000. Now what is the concept of deviation? So deviation is from the given number, whichever number you have been given. So you have been given 106 and 994. So from the given number you have to subtract the base. So 106 is very close to 100. So given number is 106. So from 106 you have to subtract base. So answer will be plus 6. What will be the deviation in case 2? Here the given number is 994. So from the given number, so given number is 994. From 994 we have to subtract the base. Base number is 1000. So here this is minus 6. So this is the concept of deviation. Suppose I ask you what is the deviation of 1002. What is the deviation of 1002? So you would say 1002 is very close to 1000. It is very close to 1000 and 1002 is 2 steps ahead. Or you can say numerically value of 1002 is 2 more than 1000. If I say what is the deviation of 97? What is the deviation of 97? So you must answer that 97 is very close to 100. But 97 is less than 100. So deviation will be negative, minus 3. 100 is less, 100 is, 97 is less than 100. How much less? So 3 less. Therefore, here the deviation will be negative -3 in case of 1002. So, 1002 was more than the base. Therefore, the deviation was positive +2. So, this is the concept of deviation. Now, before I tell you the shortcut, understand the concept of doubling the deviation. So, if I say the number is 102, if the number is 102, so you must imagine that this is very close to 100 and this is more than base. This is more than base. So, deviation is +2. If I ask you to double this deviation, if I ask you that please double the deviation, what does this mean? Base is 100. The given number is 102. This is your number. This is the value of deviation. I am asking you to double it. So, doubling means one more time you are going to add deviation. So, deviation is +2. So, you add +2 one more time. So, 102 will become 104. So, this is the meaning of doubling the deviation. So, suppose I ask you to double the deviation of 97. So, I gave you a number 97 and I asked you to double its deviation. So, what should your approach be? The given number is 97. This is very close to 100. But 97 is less than 100. So, deviation is -3. You have to double the deviation. This is base. So, one more time you have to increase the gap. One more gap you have to create. So, now 97 will go further backwards. So, 97 minus 3 is what? 94. So, this is the concept of doubling the deviation. So, if I ask you to double the deviation of 1002, if I ask you to double the deviation of 1002, what should your answer be? Base is 1000. This number is already 2 steps ahead. You have to double it. Add one more time, add here 2. So, this will become 1004. If I ask you to double the deviation of 996, so what will be the value after doubling the deviation? The given number is 996. This is just behind base. Base is 1000. So, this is -4. That means 4 steps backward. You have to send it another 4 steps back. So, this becomes 992. So, this is the concept of doubling the deviation. Now, we understood the concept of deviation and how do we double the deviation. So, now we can learn the shortcut. So, shortcut for what? To find the square of those numbers which are very near to base number. For example, 102 whole square or 997 whole square. So, all these numbers are very close to base. So, we will now learn the shortcut. Let us see. Let us take example. So, the given number is 102 whole square. So, what is base? So, 102 is closest to which base number? So, this is closest to 100. 100. What is deviation? Deviation is that from the given number. From the given number you have to subtract the value of base. So, here deviation is +2. Now, what is the shortcut? Shortcut. So, how many zeros are there in the base? So, base has 2 zeros. So, create 2 blank spaces here. So, 2 blank spaces means you have to write 2 digit here. You can write only 2 digits here. And here create 1 single blank space. Here any number of digits can be written. Any number of digits can be written. But here only 2 digits can be written, 2 blank spaces. Now, what is the shortcut? Shortcut is in these 2 digits, we have to write the value of delta square. Delta square. We have to write the value of delta square. Now, what we have to write in first blank space? In first blank space, we have to double the deviation of original number. Double the deviation of original number and we have to write that number here. So, what is the meaning of this? Let us see. So base is 100, given number is 102, therefore deviation is plus 2. So in last two blank space we have to write delta square. So delta square is plus 2 whole square, so that is equal to 4. So I cannot write 4 here because I have to fill two blank spaces. So I will write 0 4. So I write 0 4 here. Now what to do in first blank space? In first blank space I have to double the deviation of original number. So how do you double the deviation of 102? So we just discussed doubling the deviation. So double the deviation of 102. So base is 100, the given number is 102. So you have to double the deviation, you have to add one more time, you have to add 2. So 102 will become 104. So 10404 is the final answer. So this is equal to 10404. Let us verify using calculator. So 102 whole square. So what is the value? 10404, you can see 10404, and the shortcut also tells us the same answer. Let's take one more example, you will understand, things will become more clear. So 108 whole square. What is base? Base is 100. What is deviation? From the given number. So given number is 108. From this number we have to subtract base. So deviation is plus 8. Plus 8. So answer is given in two parts. Base has two zeros. So base has two zeros. Therefore, in second part there will be two blank spaces. And in these two blank spaces I have to write the value of delta square. In first blank space, what I have to write in first blank space? In first blank space I have to double the deviation. I have to double the deviation of 108, original number. Double the deviation of 108 and write the value here. So let's solve this. So deviation is plus 8. Delta is plus 8. So deviation square is equal to plus 8 whole square. So that is equal to 64. So write 6 here, 4 here. So two blank spaces are filled. Now let's fill the first blank space. How? By doubling the deviation. So if you double the deviation of 108, what happens? So base is 100, the given number is 108, you have to double the deviation, one more jump. So plus 8 plus 8. So 108 will become 116 if you try to double the deviation. So write 116 here. So final answer is 11664. Let us verify. Let us see. So 108 whole square. So 11664, you can see our answer is correct. Let's solve this one. 111 whole square. So here again base is 100. Deviation. So from the given number is 111, we subtract 100. So deviation is plus 11. Delta square. So delta square is plus 11 whole square, that is equal to 121. Now what is the answer? Base has two zeros. So base has two zeros. So create two blank spaces here and one single blank space here. So in these two blank space I have to write the value of delta square, and in the first blank space I have to double the deviation of 111, the original number, and I have to write here. So let's fill in the values. Let's see what happens. So delta square is equal to 121, but the problem is here there are only two blank spaces. So I can write only two digits. So I will write 2 1 here, and this extra 1 gets transferred to the first blank space. So this plus 1 is carry forwarded in the first blank space. So in the first blank space, what was I supposed to write? I was supposed to double the deviation of 111. So doubling the deviation of 111 means 111 plus one more 11. So 122 and this plus 1. So final answer I have to write here 123. So final answer is 12321. So 111 whole square is equal to 12321. Let's verify. So 111 whole square. So 12321 you can see for yourself. Now let's see this one. 97 whole square. So 97 is very close to 100. So base is 100. What is deviation? From the given number, that is from 97, we subtract 100. So this time deviation is negative, -3. Deviation square. So -3 whole square. So that is 9. So what is the answer? Base contains two zeros. Base contains two zeros. So two blank spaces here. And in these two blank spaces, I have to write the value of delta square. And here one single blank space. In this single blank space, what am I going to write? I will double the deviation of the original number, that is 97, and I will write here. So let's find out the final answer. So delta square is 9. So I have to write delta square here. So I will write 09 because I have to fill two blank spaces. So 09. Now what will I write in the first blank? Double the deviation of 97. So how can we double the deviation? So the given number is 97, base is 100. So this number is already 3, value of the given number is 3 behind base. So you send it 3 more behind, backward. So 97 minus 3 becomes 94. So that is the meaning of doubling the deviation. So write 94 here. So final answer 9409. If we want, we can verify. So let's verify. So 97 whole square is equal to 9409, you can see. Let's solve this one. Here again base is equal to 100. Deviation from the given number, that is from 93, you have to subtract 100. So here again the deviation is negative, -7. Delta square is equal to -7 whole square. So that is positive 49. If you find the square of any negative number, the answer will be positive only. So base is 100 and 100 contains two zeros. So first you have to write two blank spaces here. And in these two blank spaces, you have to write the value of delta square. In the first blank space, what we have to write? We have to double the deviation of 93. Double the deviation of 93. So let's fill the final answer here. So delta square is 49. So write 4 here, 9 here, 49. Two digits are filled. Time to fill the first blank space. How you can fill the first blank space? By doubling the deviation of 93. How you can double the deviation of 93? So this is 93. Base is 100. So 93 is already 7, the value 7 steps behind 100. You have to send it further 7 steps behind. So 93 minus 7 is equal to 86. So write 86 here. So final answer is 8649. Let us see. 93 whole square. 8649. Now let's see this one. The given number is 88. So 88 is very close to 100, therefore the base is 100. Deviation from the given number, that is from 88, subtract 100. So deviation is negative this time, -12. Deviation square. So -12 whole square is 144. If you find the square of any negative number, the answer will be positive only. So 144. So what will be the shortcut? Base is 100. 100 has two zeros. So two blank spaces here. So two blank space here and one single blank space here. So in these two blank spaces, I have to write the value of delta square, and in the first blank space, I have to double the deviation of original number, that is of 88. So let's first double the deviation of 88. given number is 88, base is 100. So 88 is already 12 behind. Send it one more time behind, minus 12. So 88 minus 12 is 76. So we are going to write 76 here, and in the last two blank spaces we have to write the value of delta square. So delta square is 144, but here there are only two blank spaces empty. So I will write 4 here, and this extra digit 1 will get transferred here. So 76 plus 1, 77. So 77 and 4. So final answer will be 7744. Let us verify. Let us verify using calculator. 88 whole square. So 7744, yes. Let's take this example, 1004 whole square. How we can solve this? Here the base is 1000. Deviation from the given number, you have to subtract base. So 1004 minus 1000. So deviation is plus 4. Deviation square is 4 square, that is equal to 16. What will be the shortcut? Base is 1000 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So this time we have to make 3 blank spaces, and in these 3 blank spaces we have to write the value of delta square. Here there is one single blank. In this blank we have to double the deviation. Double the deviation of original number. Original number is 1004. So let's fill in the blanks now. So deviation is plus 4. Deviation square is 16. So we have to write deviation square, that is delta square, in these 3 blank spaces. So 16 is a 2-digit number, but there are 3 blank spaces. So I will write 016. And in the first blank, I have to double the deviation of 1004. So double the deviation of 1004. What will it become? So 1004. Base is 1000. So 1004 is already 4 ahead. Send it another 4 ahead. So 1008. So here I have to write 1008. So final answer would be 1008016. We can verify this if we want. Let's do it. Let's verify. So 1004 whole square. So yes, 1008016. So our answer is correct answer. Let's solve one last one, 998 whole square. So here again you can see that 998 is very close to 1000. So base is 1000. Deviation from the given number, that is from 998, you have to subtract the base. So this time deviation is negative, minus 2. Delta square minus 2 whole square, that is equal to plus 4. What is the shortcut? Base is 1000 and 1000 have 3 zeros. So create 3 blank spaces here, and in these 3 blank spaces we are going to write the value of delta square. And here one single blank space. In this single blank space I have to double the deviation of 998. Let us see. So delta square is 4. So I have to write 4 in these 3 blank space. So I can write this as 004. Now let us double the deviation of 998. So the original number is 998, the base is 1000. So 998 is 2 less than 1000. Double the deviation, send it another 2 backwards. So 998 minus 2 is 996. So 996004 is the answer. Let's verify it one for last time. So 998 whole square. So 996004. So I hope you liked this trick, and if you liked this trick then please subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet, because we keep on uploading these kind of videos that are beneficial for you. So whenever we upload these videos you will get a notification, you will be notified.